Okay, all right. Now, next time for the next task which we are going. So that will be the 4 of 10, which is called Synceswap. So we have to do some activities. So let's click on this link and it opens. Click on Start. Click on Next and click on Next. You can okay. Just click on Connect here. Click on Ethereum wallet. You can see your MetaMask icon here. Click on Next and Connect. So now you are connected to your wallet. And this says allow this site to add a network. You can just click on cancel here and just click on close here. And do you see era mainnet here? Just click on it and select scroll alpha. So because we are using scroll testnet right now. Okay, basically this is called a DEX, means decentralized exchange, where we can buy tokens. So how do we buy? So we exchange whatever token we have and we get what tokens we want. So let's say if I want a token called a USDC, I have so much ETH tokens with me. So I have to give some of my ETH to get the USDC token. So that's the transaction we are doing here. All right, so let's go back to the tweet here. It says swap at least 10 different tokens, create at least 3 liquidity positions. Okay, so swap at least 10 tokens. Swap means the same thing. The tokens buying is there, right? That's called swap. So if I see here right now, if I click on 100%, so much Ethereum I am having. So I'm not going to spend everything here. Let's just swap a minimum amount 0.005 and let's just 0.001 is also enough and just click on swap here. That means you are giving so much ETH from your wallet and you will get so much USDC in your wallet. So that's how the swapping works. Click on swap and wait for a confirmation in your wallet and now click on confirm. So just wait for some time. So it should show here. Okay, this says the transaction was not successful. Okay, so this can happen sometimes. In that case, nothing to worry. You haven't lost anything. Um, just 0.0001. Just click on swap again and wait for some time. Click on confirm. Let's see if this transaction goes through. Okay, there seems to be some problem. Shows maybe let me just increase the value here instead of doing giving very small value. Okay, 0.0005. Now click on swap. That's okay. Okay, maybe let's do like this. Click on settings icon here and that's okay. It's okay. Let's try it again. Click on confirm and I hope this goes through. Okay, nice. Finally it went through. Okay, that's good. So now if I see here, I can see some balance here. That means I have spent some ETH and got USDC. This is how the buy and sell works in the exchange. So basically, decentralized exchange means we are using it to buy tokens, the tokens we want. So we are selling something and we are getting something instead. So that's all. And we just need to do the same thing for all other tokens as well. So it says like swap 10, at least 10 different tokens. So we have just done one swap so far. We gave ETH and got the USDC. So we need to do more of this. So since it says we have to do at least 10, so we'll have to keep repeating these steps. But let's just not just do with ETH and USDC only. We can do with the different other tokens as well. So let me just click on USDC here and let me click some other token here. Let's say maybe WETH. All right. So see right now I have 42,000 USDC with me. I can spend this and do some transactions. So let me just click 100 here, and if I spend 100, I'll get in return so much WE. So if I okay, so that this is what's called swapping here. So now let's just click on unlock USDC here, and okay, you just have to scroll down here, and now the sign button will be activated. You can, or you can just click on here as well and click on sign. All right, now you see there is an option called swap. Just click on it, click on confirm. You can wait for some time. Okay, there seems to be a problem again. No problem. Let's just try it again. Let me just try with the 10,000. Okay, so if you just see this problem again, just increase the amount you're doing swapping. Maybe it might should get solved, or it might be some network congestion today. That's why I'm getting this error, but it should be fine. Just make sure like you're making at least 10 transactions of this type. All right, there seems to be some problem today. Um, okay, let me just give one more try again. Go, please go through. Okay, because there seems to be some problem, but but I hope you have understood the steps. I'll try this again after some time, but I hope you have understood the steps that needs to be done. Just make at least 10 swaps like this, and just make sure like you're not spending too much of Ethereum. So Ethereum is something what required throughout the transaction to pay the fees in this blockchain. So you don't spend every Ethereum here complete, but spend very some like 10% of what you have. Like always spend a very minimum amount only. So that way you have for enough ETH for all the transactions. So that's done for one thing, which is the swap at least 10 different tokens and create at least 3 liquidity position, okay, with different tokens. So we have done like right now 2 tokens, so you have all other tokens, right? So just keep one USDC at the top and do all the transactions here like this. Select one by one WE, do some swap here, then click on WE9, do some swap, then click on this and do some swap, same way. And now let me just go here and click on pool and pools. So we have to do some liquidity transactions here. So things looks like network is a bit slow, but let's just wait for some time. All right, the network seems to be slow. Oh my god. Okay, finally it's here. Okay, now you see USDC, USDT, ETH, USDT. Okay, okay, okay. So right now, so I have to select something stable. Okay, okay, all right. So it says so I have already USDC with me, but I don't have USDT. So let's get some USDT first. So let's go back to trade here and click on USDT here. Above I have USDC and now I USDT. Now click on USD, unlock USDC. Click on here. Okay, let's try another transaction here. So at the top, let me select USDC and bottom, let me select USDT. So you have to do for all the tokens here. So just one by one, start doing that. So now click on swap. I have entered 10,000 values at the top here. Let's see if this transaction goes through. Click on confirm. Okay, it's submitted and I hope this goes through. Okay, nice. Finally, it went through. So it took some amount of time, but same thing. If at all you get stuck at any point, just do the same thing. Just wait for some time, then come back and try again. And yeah, just how to you have to do for all other tokens as well. Keep USDC or ETH at the top, spend very small amount, and just select any other tokens here, click on swap, and just go through the transaction. So if once you're done, let's go here, click on pool here and click on pools. So now we have to do the second task, that is creating three liquidity positions with the different tokens. All right, so I see some of the tokens which I have already with me. So I have ETH, USDT, USDC, USDT with me. So one by one, let's get started. So what we can do is, I see USDC, USDT here. Click on this arrow button and click on deposit here. Okay, so it says how much maximum I have my balance here. Let's enter some small amount. Let's say some $1,000. Let's keep the same amount in the both the places, and now click on unlock USDT. Okay, again, now just click on max here and click on next, approve, wait for some time. Cool. Now just click on deposit here. Again, a transaction you will have to confirm here. Okay, transaction succeeded. Nice. So now if you just click on my position, it will show what I have done here. So much USDC and USDT has been deposited into here. So that's interesting. Okay, my position. So now you will have to just click on back here on pools. So you have to do the same thing for at least two more pairs like this. So you can do for USDC ETH or ETH USDC. Yeah, that's the same thing. Maybe some other token like ETH USDT, or yeah, you'll have to swap these things also. Get these tokens from the trade, and you can do the same thing here. So maybe let me just show you quickly for another one. Click on deposit here. You enter some value here. So ETH, so as I told you, don't spend too much of amount here. So keep a very small amount and just keep like this. Click on deposit, and that should go through. So that's all should be for this one, but just make sure you're doing this for all the tokens and at least three pairs in this pools position. So any three pairs you have to do that, and you should be good to go with this task. So we completed this task, so let's move on to the next task.
Hey, we just finished interacting with another decentralized application. So I'll see you soon in the next video to use another dApp. Bye.